channel. So today I got an Echo Dot, so we're gonna unbox it. So hold on, let me get this off. That's a good one. It's built out okay. Wasn't that? I think that's what it was, but. So here it is, the Echo Dot. We'll look at that later. Things to try. If you guys want to use these, you can. An instruction booklet. It's pretty easy to make. It's pretty easy to use. It's pretty easy to use a Echo Dot. Power cable, 15 watt, and more. Oh, okay. And anything else in here? That's it. The box is nice. Alright, put the book down. Put the book back in there. So then we'll undo these. There's the power cable. I'll unbox this. Nice ceramic feel. Alright, let's plug it in. Hold the power up. I missed some, that's fun. Okay, pop that in. Here's the priority button. There this is. Step over. It's all flip over. Okay. So it looks like more fun. And so what I have to do is see the manual. Loud. So we're putting it away for Alexa to say hello.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Okay, that's it. Goodbye, guys. Peace.